Here's a quick overview of the analysis, page 168. Again, this is a really beautiful melody. You should sing it, listen to the recording. If you can have access to a keyboard and play some of the harmonies, that would be very helpful. This one, they actually tell you where to do the modulations. So I'm just going to talk through those spots, give you an overview, and then I'll do the detailed analysis in the PDF that you can compare your answers to. So this is A flat major. Okay, so if we were to sing this first phrase, you would get here and you'd call it, you would realize that that pitch is Do. So we're in the key of A flat major. And here we've gone 5, 7 to 1 in A flat major. They're asking us to look at this as our common chord for our next key. So if we sang this phrase, this would sound like so in the key of C minor. So if we're in C minor, this would be our 5 chord. This is a half cadence. So to go from A flat major to C minor, that's 4 flats to 3 flats. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. We'd need D naturals. And we would want to add in a B natural to give us our leading tone. So if you look here, we get A naturals, B naturals, D naturals. From this point on, this is acting like C minor. This is actually a cadential 6/4. There's a little interpolation of a 7, diminished 7 of 5 before the 6/4 resolves to 5/3 with a 7 on top. So this chord was a 6, and 1 in the key of A flat becomes 6 in the key of C minor. So now here we've had our half cadence, we're in C minor, and if we sang through this, we would realize at this point we're in the key of G minor. And you can look here, it's 5, 1. Singing this melody, you would want to call that Do. So, if we're going from C minor to G minor, this is 3 flats. B flat, E flat, A flat, this is 2 flats. B flat, E flat. So we'd want to look for A natural and F sharp as markers of the change to G minor. So, here's A natural, here's F sharp. We have a German augmented 6 chord here. They tell us to use this chord, which was 1 in the key of C minor, and in the key of G minor, this is the 4 chord. This is fairly simple. Okay, I'll add in the other details, but I want to quickly look at this one, get the overview. This is from Beethoven Piano Sonata. You should listen to this. If we listen to this together, if I played it for you, you would hear a cadence right here and a cadence right here. So let's look at where we begin, D minor. And right here, do you see this is G7 going to C? That's an imperfect authentic cadence in the key of C. So that would be 5, 6, 5 to 1 in the key of C. So what we want to do is look for where we change from D minor to C major. Okay, to change from D minor will have a B flat in it, and it will have a C sharp from D harmonic minor. See, we've still got C sharp here, and at this point we get a C natural. And then here we've got 5, 1 in the key of C. So let's look at this chord as our possibility. This is a D minor chord. D minor is 1 in the key of D minor, and it's 2 in the key of C major. Now, when this moves to the C in the bass and the F sharp in the soprano, this actually becomes a D7, which strengthens our move to this chord because this is 5, 4, 2, of 5 in the key of C. Okay, so that's how we got to the key of C. And now down here, we're still in the key of C, so the rest of this will stay in the key of C. I'll add the details to the PDF and have these uploaded shortly.